What's going on, Dingles Crypto? So we're going to continue our DeFi exploration series with AAVE. It's similar to Compound.finance, but it also has other features that I will get into later. So stay tuned. This is my Twitter. Follow me for crypto content. Also follow me on TikTok for short little crypto videos. And subscribe, like, and comment a protocol you want me to explore next in the comments below. Appreciate it. Shoot me a like, please. That makes me feel good. But first, get MetaMask. It's just a Chrome extension for Google Chrome. It's a Chrome extension for your Ethereum wallet that allows you to interface with these protocols. So let's start with the AAVE token. This is the token. It used to be called Lend. For the protocol used to be called ETHLend. But they transferred to AAVE, and this is the new token. It's kind of one of the blue chip DeFi tokens because it has a larger market cap, and the team has proven that it has good development, good developers as well, and a good product, and it's one of the leaders in borrowing and lending, as well as there are other features as well. So introduction to AAVE. Basically, so this is new. Over collateralized and under collateralized fashion. I was unaware about the over or under collateralized option, but I'll look into that more and maybe shoot a comment below. But let's jump right into the protocol. So this is the interface. You can borrow a stable APR, which Compound does not allow you to do, which is very nice. So you can know what you're paying, or you can borrow the variable APR, which is also very nice. Actually, this is 2.43. That's pretty low, as well as Tether is also pretty low. So that's really nice to see. Deposit. This is just earn interest on your tokens. And as you see, there's a lot more options. Borrow tab. You borrow. See, I don't understand why they have so many tabs for the same thing. I mean, you can just have market. But, I mean, it seems redundant to some point. You can also swap. So AAVE token looks like you have to own AAVE to interact with the protocol. I don't know how much I like that. Personally, I mean, it's okay. I don't own any AAVE, but I just use Compound.finance. It's the same thing. This has more features, a couple more features which I have yet to get. AAVE, you can stake AAVE, as well as let's get into a couple really cool things called Flashloans. So Flashloans is one of my dearest things in blockchain that I like so much about it, and DeFi that I like so much about it. It is the opportunity to do flash loans to take advantage of arbitrage opportunities. So basically, any information on the blockchain you can arbitrage with a flash loan. And a flash loan is basically, I like to say, unlimited liquidity, but obviously there's a liquidity pool that you're taking from, and you can't take all the liquidity. But if you can do an arbitrage opportunity in one transaction, then you can take out a flash loan and be able to do it with unlimited liquidity basically. So one thing that flash loan, this website's pretty dope. It's fun to play around with. Furrowcom, it's called. So you basically just build a ladder of blocks, and each block is just a different transaction on a different protocol, and you can execute all these blocks in one transaction and take out a flash loan. So you probably take out a flash loan, buy a token on Uniswap, sell it on another DEX like Balancer, and then repay the flash loan and take the difference as profit. So that's a very cool DeFi opportunity. I played around with this a lot. It's very difficult to find an arbitrage opportunity, whether it's fully exploited or maybe I just suck at it. I don't know, but it's very interesting to play around with. So AAVE token allows you to vote on governance, like a normal governance token, right? So a lot of these are just governance token that allows you to vote on proposals and allows you to make proposals and deliver it to the community and see if it passes. So that's AAVE. I mean, it has decent amount. One thing I like about CoinGecko is this market cap to total value ratio, and I think this might become more valuable information as DeFi develops. So it's the ratio of market capitalization over total value locked. This is 0.67. I want to show you something with Uniswap. I think Uniswap is significantly more, actually, so it's pretty similar. And I think all these numbers will slowly get closer to the same ratio, because at the end of the day, that should be what your value, your token, your market cap should be valued in sense with the total market total volume that your protocol does. So I think that should they will all get closer together eventually. And if you see one higher or lower, you can you can short or long it to take advantage of that. So let's get into some their developers. So AAVE. So this is their Twitter. Has they update constantly on here. Very good Twitter active team. I actually don't know who this guy is. I just went to following, and he was one of the first people they followed. But it looks like, I don't know whether he's a developer, part of the team, but it looks like he posts significantly about the AAVE. So if he might be a good person to get information from, he might be AAVE's marketer. I don't know. But this is a developer for AAVE. So follow him if you want to get the edge on development and maybe look at his likes. One thing I like to do is look at what people like him have been liking, because that shows you what he's been thinking and what he's been thinking about. So that's what I like to do, is look at people's likes, especially Angelo BTC and Willy Woo and those type of people. Get some information that what they're constantly thinking about, right? So AAVE Gache, which is an NFT powered by AAVE. So this is very interesting. It's just NFTs. I have to look more into it, but it's powered by AAVE, and I would not be surprised if AAVE tokens were integrated with this protocol. And NFTs are a hot commodity. I mean, it will just become more hot when the market bubbles this upcoming year. But that is all I have for AAVE. I know it was short, but it's pretty simple. Just a lending borrowing protocol with flash loan capabilities, as well as their governance token. AAVE has a staking opportunity as well as potential growth with AAVE Gache, an NFT protocol powered by AAVE, right? So basically, it's a blue chip DeFi token. It's a good protocol. That is all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Peace out till next time. See ya.